modules in this series have been purposefully designed to encourage you to engage in self-directed learning. Most self-directed learning models are comprised of similar steps, like the game plan model from Sonamo, Ross, and Ertmer. The first step in most models is setting goals, which is why you've been encouraged to reflect on your own learning needs and establish goals that are relevant to you. Your goals may help determine the action steps you'll take, the resources you'll use, the people with whom you'll interact, and when and where you'll learn. These are pretty familiar steps to most educators, but one of the most critical is the one that is often less emphasized, at least according to the experience of the creators of the game plan, and that is monitoring your learning. Too often we skipped right to evaluation, when a little formative check-in could help improve our learning along the way. If things are on target, full steam ahead. But if you determine your learning plan isn't working out, the most effective self-directed learners will change in midstream. They might take different actions or modify their goals. In some cases, you might even eliminate a goal, or at least put it off for later when you're ready for it. Educators who reflect on their own learning and the effectiveness of their work during and after are often referred to as reflective practitioners. Sometimes we reflect in the moment. We've all been there when an activity we've planned just isn't working out and we need to change course. That's referred to as reflection in action. But a more important reflection often occurs after our learning activities, which is often called reflection on action. This is a deeper, more introspective reflection. Noted expert on reflection and critical thinking Jennifer Moon describes this as critical reflection, and it goes beyond what worked and what didn't. Reflective practitioners dig deeper to try to understand why things worked or not, how they felt, and not just what happened. Critical reflection also considers what others experienced, what they thought, their motivations, and how they might have felt.